Hey guys, I'm over here at Gas Axe Chop Shop with Tim Dixon, and I never have seen anybody do this blasting before, blasting all the paint off this 56 Chevrolet truck. And from my understanding, it's just little particles of glass. I hope you can hear me. But I just never have seen this done before. But this is the one we're going to put pentotrol on. Thought you might want to watch out. That truck, if you didn't know, used to be white. That's what it looks like now. Looks like a gray, kinda. Just taking every bit of the paint off. You can watch it when he's doing the windshield visor, how it's changing colors, getting all the rust and stuff off of it. I thought it was pretty interesting. I've never seen this done before in real life. I bet that equipment is pretty expensive too. I don't know if it makes the metal hot or not. What I'm looking at right here, I don't know. Well, I guess it don't. That's pretty cool. I've never seen this done before, so it's pretty interesting. I got here just in time to watch them do some of it. Yeah, pretty cool. Couldn't do that on the old Dookie or maybe one or two of my other trucks. Whole thing would fall apart. I say the paint, only thing holding some of it together. I'll show you his truck he's working out of. There it is. I've never seen this done, or this. I don't know this guy that's doing it either. Here's my buddy's car. Check out this Buick Roadmaster. Is this not cool? I'm not going to open up the door or anything, but it's got the Wonder Bar. Well, I don't guess he would care. Man, pretty nice car. Antenna controls. That's for the emergency brake. Let you know the emergency brake's on. Wonder Bar radio. Now, you don't see those every day. Check out this gas hand. Shows you when you're starting to get real low, it changes colors. Pretty cool car. I love these little signal lights too, for your turn signals. Tissue dispenser. I like that lock on the glove box. Is that not cool? Check out this back seat. I love this car. Power windows. I meant to show you that earlier. This is the best Buick had to offer back in 55. Power seats. This is a really cool car. Man, I like this chrome along the trunk too. There's my other buddy's 1960 Chevy wagon. I'm gonna get back away from that blasting because it gets everywhere. Boy, that sure is a cool Buick. I might have said 55, I meant 56. There's one at one of our salvage yards that's got a 55. This is a 56, I apologize for that. How you like these torpedo sights? Is that not cool? I don't know why I said 55. This is a 56. I should, hey, gas door guard. I like the trunk lock. That is a cool car. Roadmaster too. Top of the line. Here's my buddy's 60 Chevy wagon. I seen Goose Creek Symphony back in the day. Here's what I don't like to open up people's doors, but this is what my buddy Tim did. He put in new floor pans. Is that not cool? What a good job. Check out that tunnel. That's awesome. All this is at Gas Axe Chop Shop, and you can find all this on Facebook. Gas Axe, A-X-E, Chop Shop. He's always got videos and pictures of stuff that he's working on and stuff that he's already done. This is a really cool car. I like that 61 Impala steering wheel too on this 60. Pretty dang cool car. Man, this is nice. Funny fact, back in the 70s, I seen Goose Creek Symphony here in my hometown, and that's back when streaking was popular. There was a guy that streaked, naked across the stage. It was hilarious. Of course, that was back in the 70s, so that's a long time ago, and I'm an old guy, so. Anyway, I thought I'd show you this stuff. I'll get back with you here in a little bit. Here's another truck my buddy Tim just bought. He's buying stuff all the time. It's a 78 Chevy Silverado. Man, it's a real nice truck. Got the bed rails. Show you the insides. This is a really nice truck. I think it's showing 50,000 miles. Man, that dash, I wish my dash on old Dookie. Wish it was this nice. Check out this fancy trim. It's a really, really nice, clean truck. You can tell it don't have a whole lot of miles on it because of the brake pedal. That's what I always look at. It just got a little wear out there. I'm not an expert on anything, but I'm saying that 50,000 miles might be the actual miles. Let's kind of go around it here. Man, that paint is... this is a really nice truck. Beatty Chevrolet. And his hood is not bowed either. There's a little crack there, but I think that's just in the paint. Man, what a nice truck. Little Datsun, when's the last time you seen one of them? Been a while for me. 4-door Chevy square body. I don't know if he's going to sell this truck or not. He said something about it one time, but not really for sure. Here's this red Chevy truck. I don't guess he minds if I open up the door and just It's a work truck here. Man, it's a cool truck. It's already been lowered. Here's the tailgate I painted for this red truck here. If you'll recall a few videos back. I don't know if I got the paint color exactly right. It's pretty close. It's got dust all over it from this gravel and also from the dusting on that, where that guy's dusting getting the paint off the 56 Chevy truck. It's a Silverado too. I'm hoping he doesn't care if I open the door. Man, tilt column and everything. It's a nice truck. Of course, here's his 59 Fleet side truck. I know I've showed you this before, but it won't hurt to look at it again. I always like to look at this truck. I wish I had it in its mind. V8, a lot of modern upgrades to it. I guess I could stand back and show you the front. I get carried away sometimes. Boy, that's a nice truck. Automatic in the floor. Air conditioned. Man, that's awesome. As I said, I wish... Tim is so good on stuff. I wish I had this and it was mine. Show you the back of it here real quick. Pretty cool truck. Maybe this guy's done. Let's go see. I like that camper. I don't know if he's going to do this 55 car or not. Man, I sure do like that Buick. That thing rides and drives good too. That's what my buddy said. He's fixed it and built it this way, and man, that's cool. I like the way the exhaust comes out the back. They had little notches from the bumper from the factory. Anyway, we'll go inside and see what's going on. Be with you in a minute. Okay guys, I don't mean to make this a long video, but this guy's still working. The truck, the 56 Chevy truck that belongs to Tim, he just pulled it in the garage and he's using an air hose to blow it off. The guy put some kind of chemical on it to keep it from rusting. So he's doing somebody else's hood and fenders now, like from a, I don't know, like a 70, 71, 72 Chevy truck. Anyway, here's my 57. I hope you can notice a difference in it. It's got chrome bumpers on it now, and it's got the windshield visor on it now. This is my first time to see it. My parts haven't come in for my brakes yet, and he's going to fix my vent window because, to be honest with you, I don't know how. He said he had to order a part for it, but as you can see, to me it looks so much better with these chrome bumpers on it. Let's see what the back one looks like. Boy, I like that window visor. It really matches the truck. I really do like this truck. It's a good little old truck. Oh yeah. I like that chrome back bumper. Man, I really do like this truck. I don't mean, whenever I'm talking, I want y'all to always remember I'm not bragging. I'm just really blessed. And I'm just really blessed to have this little old truck right here. If I can get the brakes up on it, we're at a stop, I'll be really, really happy. And Tim will do all that for me. Please look him up on Facebook at Gas Axe Chop Shop. He's got all kinds of cool stuff. He's working on this Charlie's chips. This is an actual Charlie's chips. It says pies and cakes. This is an actual delivery truck for them, and they found it in a creek. And he's got airbags and stuff on it now, but this doesn't belong to Tim. That's just some of the stuff that he does, is put different frames and lowers it and stuff, but I don't know if he's waiting on parts too, or what his deal is. Boy, I sure am liking these chrome bumpers. I'll probably watch this video a time or two myself. I just think all the stuff he does over here is really interesting. I sure do hope that you check him out. That windshield visor, to me, I don't know how y'all feel about it, but boy, I really do like it. It looks good. I like those chrome bumpers too. I'm not sure whose 55 this is, but it must be going to get the same treatment. Looks like they've added a piece right here, packed in some. I don't know who this belongs to, but I'm going to find out. I've always wanted a 55. Haven't got one yet. Looks like it's been mini tub. This might be pretty awesome when Tim gets done with it. Sometimes Tim just does stuff, goes so far with something, and then somebody else, the owner or whatever, will take over. It's just stuff that they don't have the tools or the knowledge to do. So I don't know how far Tim is going with this, but we'll see. Anyway, I need to go help him with that 56 Chevy truck of his. I'll be back. Okay, Tim is blowing off the excess liquid the guy put on there to keep it from rusting. And as he said, the guy that done this, he said you can see Bondo and all that stuff that was put into the truck. But then again, it is 63 years old. It's kind of hard to find one 63 years old anymore. At least it is around here in this area. Tim is a master motorcycle builder. I'm sure these aren't his, but he works on them for other people as well.
What's up?
Hey buddy, how you doing?
I'm doing.
You want to look at some trucks, okay? He can't hear you. Okay. Here's my buddy's 58 Chevy truck. I showed it in a previous video. This sure is an awesome truck. I wish, as I always say, when I come over to Tim's, I wish it was mine. I wish it was mine. If you want to see some pictures before some of this stuff was done, you'll have to go back on some of my videos or go to Gas Axe Chop Shop. I've never seen that before. Gas Axe Chop Shop on Facebook. Tim posts pictures up of things that he's done or going to do, or what it looked like before and afterwards. He's got some of this truck right here. If you remember, this 56, I probably already said this, was white. And Tim said he's going to have to do some repair work on it, but we're going to coat it anyway with Penetrol. Anyway, I'll get back with you. I'll show you some of the tools Tim's got. He makes floor pans. He's got everything. Don't ask me what some of these tools are, but he's got them. All kinds of welders, saws. He's got a little bit of everything in here. There it is, Gas Axe Chop Shop. Okay, I have to make this part one because there's too much going on. I'll get back with you. Check it out in a little bit. See you later.